This 2019 Keystone Springdale Tailgator 27th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Bath, Pennsylvania, 18014 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Behtlehem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.